All right, welcome to Sphero Central. We are going to try to see if we can use this app here called Sphero EDU to do a program for one of our Spheros to run the obstacle course. So you're going to notice when you log in there, you're going to connect your robot up here at the top again. You're on home. We did drive yesterday, and today we're going to go down here to the button that says program. So if you press on program, I have one here. I didn't give it a title, but I'm going to go view that program and work on it. So our goal is to write code so that the Sphero stays within the boundaries of our obstacle course and makes it to the finish. Tools at the bottom help us do that. Okay. The most common one I use is this roll 0 degrees at 0 speed for 0 seconds. So I'm going to press that, drag it up, and that's going to be our first command. This works on a top-down system, so it'll start the program, it'll do the next line, then whatever we drag, it'll do that next, and then it'll do something else next. So I can say roll 0 degrees forward at, if I tap it, the 0, I'm going to go maybe half speed, and for 3 seconds. Okay? So now I have my first command. What do I want it to do after that? I'm going to tell it to stop, so then it can accept the next command. There's also like a pause. You could put a pause in there too. But if you move this over to the side, you see that there's a bunch of commands for you. Okay, at this point, I want it to turn. So I'm going to bring that same command. Now instead of 0, I'm going to say I want it to go 45, go this way, 45 degrees, which is 315 degrees since it's to the left. I'm going to go again at like half speed, and let's do this just for 1.5 seconds, 1.5. Okay, and now it'll do that command. What do we want after that? I can stop. If you want it to do other things, there's a whole bunch of stuff down here at the bottom we didn't even try. So if you look at lights, we have more commands for lights. Black LED, main LED, you could fade it, you could strobe it, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. Okay, I am not going to go through the whole code of what it should look like. This is going to be trial and error for you. So you're going to kind of see what works, what doesn't. You may have to go back and change the speeds. As long as you get something to start with that looks like it follows that three-sided box, then it's always easier to go back and say, okay, I want it to go for a little bit farther, or maybe I can slow the speed down a little bit but leave it for the same amount of time. So you can play with the speed and the time duration to figure out where your Sphero goes. Okay, and by the end of class today, I'm hoping that people are going to be able to complete the obstacle course challenge. All right, good luck everybody. When you're done with your code, press start on the top, and that's how you're going to figure out if your code works. Good luck.